right behind me is not only storage stalker, but I think we bought $1 million business inside of this storage unit for just shy of 2,000 bucks. We are about to dig in and see what we got. First off, storage stalker, what do you think?
I think a 100-pound dog is a heavy dog. I think it's a good unit too. I think it's a what? What?
I was gonna say, what is 100-pound? Never mind.
That's Uncle Michael saying when he.
What is it, Mike? Say it again.
Well, he's like, whenever you ask him like a weird question, you'll be like, "What do you think?" And he'll be like, "I think a 100-pound dog is a big dog."
All right, so this is what I think. I think it's 9 by 17 is a big unit, and it's even better when it's packed with good stuff.
Ooh, let's go. First off, we got the records of $1 million business right here. Is like a checkbook. So, like, worst case scenario, the storage don't work out. We just cut ourselves a check.
That's what I was thinking.
And we won't even put extra amount. We'll just put
$1 million.
Let's go. I wonder how much she paid to get this back.
$1 million and one is that.
By law, when you get rid of files, don't you have to wait a certain amount of years?
There's technically, this is not, in all actuality, we're not supposed to haul this. This is 2014, so look.
10 years.
10 years.
After 10 years is when it's legally, you can destroy it. Or you can sell it to a storage buyer.
Scammed?
There's a lot of hmms. You telling that that's all personals?
These are all files. I'm gonna go crash out on Coca-Cola.
What do you think she's telling? Personals?
I don't know.
Black and whites?
That's their home company. I mean, they're gonna probably play a game to where it's not. The guy was cool, but I mean, theoretically, this is not stuff we're supposed to buy. It's not supposed to be.
She did call as soon as she got an email, so she wants to know if you guys are at all willing to sell her unit back.
She got 2,500.
I mean, you want to give her a call? I got her phone number.
What do you think?
Yeah. Sure. It's her business.
Yeah.
It's her business. She's
Yeah,
probably
technically,
she's gonna probably get in big trouble because you're supposed to hang on to these files for a certain amount of time.
Yeah, exactly.
And there's
yeah,
a lot of them
that's
in
what
there.
she called being the most concerned about was that.
Yeah.
So, how does that work though? Like, let's just say hypothetically we call her and she wants to buy it. How does that work now? Because this is in my name. She gonna have to rent it back or
she
something?
Would have to rent it back, yeah.
So you have to take it out of the system, leave it in there as it empty, and she just rents it in her name.
Yeah.
Hopefully, you guys don't have a system to where don't let her rent again.
Technically, we do. Technically, she's not supposed to rent again, but we have her other unit, and she's never been a bad payer. She updated one unit for auto pay, and this one she just didn't update it, and so we kept calling her, and she was like, maybe
we tell her 3.
She even said it's my fault.
Your fault?
She can afford it, so we
her
tell her
fault.
3.
She said it was her fault for not.
She has some nice stuff, so she
not
probably can
paying.
afford some good
She can
money.
afford it. This is a dentist business. She's making bucks.
She didn't care about how much money she was getting back because you paid over what she owed. So it was like $600 or something back. She's like, oh, I don't even care about that. Her number.
I'll call her.
You guys don't come up to a agreement, the personal paperwork. Yeah, just leave it for here in the space, and I'll have her come get it.
Okay. Okay. Fair enough. Appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem.
Last thing.
Still mine. I'm just curious. I want to know what it is she doesn't want us to see.
It's against the law for her to get rid of records like that.
It's the law because if you have patient records, that's actually a lawsuit.
Those are hella nice.
There's no bad.
So you guys both want to do like a...
She has just everything except
What's this one?
sandals. She wasn't supposed to sell it.
Yeah, but
Disposable lab jacket.
she's awfully worried about us looking at.
I think she's more so worried because she's gonna get in trouble.
Oh no, she sounded a little bit up to no good.
That's a lawsuit. Botches.
Botches?
No boxes.
What up, Botches? I don't have money, but I'm gonna send over my employee with cash.
$2,000 of it.
Bro, I kind of
Those are fly. They're
8.5. Like that.
That's my size.
Oh.
Those are $300-$400 pair of shoes. Should we just put the box back?
Ooh. Ooh.
Should we on camera? Should we just put the box back? Take this lady's stuff. Just play, guys. It's a joke.
I'm filming it and I'm being real as hell. Anybody in the chat would agree. They haven't paid us.
Taking nothing. I'm not taking nothing.
We are not taking the Ferragamos.
The Ferragamos are going back into the box, and so is the Chanel. She got stalked.
I don't have 3,000 in my account, but you have a freaking thousands of dollars in shoes sitting here.
Oh my gosh! I'm telling you. Mm-hmm.
Have you been able to tell that this business has really made me cold?
It sucks, but you have to.
Those are fly though, right there.
Honestly,
Chanel up there.
we would have never lost on this because these are freaking.
Bro, you're hot right now on designer. You're hot on designer. Those are nice. Those are probably $500 shoes.
Yeah, so this money, we would have probably got our money back in shoes.
In there.
Guys, I'm still filming. Oh, there's a suitcase back there. I want to see in that
Size 40.
suitcase. What's in that suitcase, Alex?
Bro, these are like $1,000 slippers.
Bro, look at these. These are brand new.
This is where all her hidden buys are.
Oh my God.
Every shoe she's hiding from her husband is in here.
I'm taking it as she's hiding something from us. Don't contaminate the unit.
No, you really do that shit.
That's the person
In the corner.
I hope you guys know I'm leaving all this in my video too.
I don't give a crap.
I don't care.
Ooh, we'll take it. Those are nice.
She got a big old foot.
How you know it's not a side piece?
Everybody's foot's big compared to yours, bro.
I'm gonna need you to
Go ahead, Mike.
watch your mouth.
Huh? What are you talking about?
Hey, watch out.
Okay.
No personal, huh?
I don't know. That's. I don't care about it. I said I didn't take nothing out. I didn't say I didn't look. I want to know what's hiding. Okay, I've had enough. How was it? I'm done.
Good.
What?
Scrubs are actually really good.
Workers, time.
Hello.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. Who's this?
My name is Mike. I got your number because I purchased your storage unit
Unit.
mishappingly
Yes, I heard.
at the storage unit auction.
Yes. So thank you for calling me. Apparently it was my lapse. Don't get me wrong. I do apologize. I was wondering if we could possibly negotiate. So I am sorry, but it's holiday season. I hope you're open. But I'm more than happy to try to negotiate with you to buy back my unit if that's possible. If that's even negotiable.
I understand. Basically, I'm into it a little over 2,000 after 10% buyer's premium. That don't count my time and labor and driving and stuff, But I'm not a greedy person. Like, would you be willing to give us $3,000 so you can just take it back?
I honestly don't have $3,000. So there are things in there. So there's things in there that I don't think that you can take. So that's why I'm like, okay, let me, pay him for the stuff. So some of it is my dental records. So that's records.
Yeah.
In terms of, I'm looking to my bank account right now. And like the old computers, okay, take them. I have no problem with that. Those are old computers. I was planning to erase them anyways. So that was in the works. Okay, I have a question for you.
Okay.
Listen. Okay. I'm willing to pay you $3,000, but are you willing to let me make payments?
That's a tough one for me, to be honest, ma'am, because that's I've been buying storage units for years. I'm at like 4,000 storages, and it doesn't usually work that well when, to play that game.
I mean, it's up to you. I'm giving options. So how about, so you said you're about 2,000 in. Can I pay you 2,000 up front? And then I can pay you additional 1,000 in about a week or two? I can do that.
I mean, that's probably something I could do, and I mean, unless you have something of value, like, I don't know, I like gold and silver. I don't know if you have something like that. We could just be done. I don't know. I'm just throwing that out there.
No.
All
I
right.
appreciate it, though. I appreciate you saying that, but unfortunately, no, I do not.
All right.
But does that work? Is that
That
okay?
works for me. I'll risk it, you know.
I know, I appreciate it. I'm completely at fault. I understand where you're coming from. But yes, a lot of the things in there, honestly, truthfully, I don't think you're going to be able to use because a lot of it is coming from my dental office, which is actually broken or defunct. That's why they're in there. So like, if you want to take the compressors, you can take the compressors. I think you can sell them for like $50 or something, but they're broken, right? So I just put it in the storage unit for like spare parts or something like that. But let's figure this out, okay? And let's start doing the transition over. So would you like me to get somebody over there right now?
That'd be great, because just so I can be done with it. And the guy said he'd let you figure out a way to deal with it, because I'm held responsible for it. My name's on it. I'm with Storage Treasures. They'll ban me. I got a $200 deposit out right now, etc. So like, I'd like to just kind of be able to just walk away.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay, Mike. So Mike, I'm not there in the Bay Area right now. So and then Hassan will help me out a little bit. But what I'll do is I'll send one of my staff members over to you with $2,000 cash.
Okay.
Okay? And so they'll start with that. And then, like I said, within a couple of weeks or two, I'll get you the next $1,000. Not a problem.
All right.
So you haven't removed anything from my storage unit as of this moment?
No, I mean, I literally just started. I pulled 4 totes of paperwork out. I'll gladly, you know, I started to move a little bit of stuff, but I'll gladly move.
And back in?
Yeah.
Yes. Mike, I told you, I'm not lying to you. I think that, you would have actually lost money on this unit. So I'm happy to buy it back from you. I appreciate that you bought it and that you're allowing me to purchase it back, okay?
I'm like I said, I'm a very fair man. For me, it's hard. Like, I'll give you an example. At the beginning of this last year, I bought a unit for $10,000. The lady called me, told me her son was killed by the doctors. I rented the unit for 5 months. She promised me money. I never got the money. I ended up losing so much. So for us storage buyers, it's hard on that side. But if you come with the money, I know you're not playing games, you know. So
Yes, I'm not. So we'll start off with just the 2 for now. Is that okay?
yep.
Okay, let's do that, okay? And then we'll move forward. So Mike, where are you going to be so that I can get my stuff?
I'm here at the storage now.
Okay, so is it okay if I call Hussein? His name's Hussein?
Yeah,
Hassan,
send him
Hassan.
over, and the manager seems to be very cooperative. He likes you, and so usually
Yes.
managers will not even involve themselves in this. So that's a good thing that you have them liking you, because
Well, I think I paid for one unit and it was on auto pay. I thought both units were on auto pay. So when they were trying to contact me, I'm like, oh, they're stupid. Normally I wouldn't let it lapse like this. Don't get me wrong. But you know what? I'm completely at fault. I take full responsibility and full blame. So don't touch my unit. There's really not much there. And let me get that money to you ASAP, okay?
all right.
Thank you so much, Mike.
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Should we just tell her we'll keep the shoes and the scrubs and the $2,000?
I would say, just to
No.
make sure that you secure
That seems
it.
like a lot of work.
These are all scrubs.
I think she's gonna give me the money.
I still want to have faith in
I'm gonna say $80.
No,
Yo,
nothing.
just type in Dickies scrub. Those are all paper.
Friday it was.
Scrubs.
No scrubs.
There you go.
No scrubs. Oh, I don't want no scrubs.
Prada box.
A scrub is an item I don't put on my eBay. It's a Prada. Nope, it's a Bigley. It ain't nothing.
Hey. Just reach in and grab some. I don't know if this is nasty.
Oh, those are people's molds.
Oh, Grandma, that's your teeth.
That person had some messed up teeth.
They're actually
Put 'em in your mouth.
straight.
No, they had a whatchamacallit.
Underbite.
Oh, that is the bottom. I thought that was the top.
Yeah, that's the bottom.
So they have DC. This is Baker's teeth.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi.
Are you here for the unit?
What's your name?
My name is Mike.
Mike. Okay.
Yeah.
So she told me to take pictures and give you this.
All right. Awesome.
Let me call you right back, baby girl.
Yeah, like I said, we had moved out a few things. We started to go through it, but we didn't take nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, when she called, they only had I think like 2 things in there. I watched
Took
them
out
bring them out.
those heavy ends, and then we just put it right back.
Okay.
So that's our job. Like we don't expect to get a call. It's just like we gotta get the stuff out of here. But you know.
Scrubs.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of those. That's a yeah, so fun. Are you guys still in business?
Yes.
Wow.
Someone was gonna get in trouble, huh? Yeah.
Do we get free dental now? Like, what's the deal?
In the bag.
I need all my teeth pulled.
What's the name of it?
Should I give you guys the new scrubs?
Here, you can just have your half the profit, and I'll get it once she. Yeah, it's not a big deal.
Get it.
Well, no, because he said it. They're fine. I'm out of the clear now.
Oh, okay.
But you guys definitely want to put a lock on there.
I think they're empty. She wouldn't keep that there.
She had a couple pairs in there.
What is it? What kind of shoes?
She's hiding them from her husband.
Probably.
She sound like a little sneaky one, huh?
Lock, right?
Yeah, you'll need to get a new lock.
I'll meet you in the office again. All right, thank you.
I don't know what you want me to take pictures of.
She probably wants you to see that it's all there. You know, just take a picture of it. Want us to smile in there for her? You know? Throw up some gang signs.
We're from the other dental. We're
Like
Western
a little
Dental.
prison photo up there.
Oh my god.
We're from Western Dental.
You're like looking through these?
I make videos for YouTube, so yeah. That's what.
Oh, like those.
See that? What, that thing?
The compressor.
Couple bucks.
I just bought a unit before we came here that belonged to like a famous Twitch streamer, so that was like full of some really cool stuff. Just be like, hey, the guy was nice and honest. Make sure you give him the rest.
Yeah, she owes us 8,000 more.
She owes me another 1,000, so I'm trusting her to pay me.
She has money, yeah.
She tried to tell me she didn't have $3 grand. I know.
She don't have. She said she had 2,000.
I told her I wanted $3 grand because 2 doesn't even cover my cost of the unit. And
So
she's
she's
like,
still waiting for 1,000? You guys are still waiting for 1,000?
She has money, yeah.
she's gonna send it to me in a week, but she tried to tell me she don't have $3 grand, and I know that's
She's
not
probably gonna hop in
true.
a nice Benz on the way home.
She has
She
money,
can
I'm not
see it in her
dumb.
face.
Yeah.
Gold lock with my,
Yeah. So I mean, I don't have a lock on me, but we can get you one in the office.
Yeah, let's roll. Well, that was a very interesting turn of events. All the things I did not expect to transpire today. Thank you. Thank you for being so cooperative.
Yeah, no problem, man.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, try not to make it hard on anybody.
You
We're all just working here, so.
you deserve a raise for sure, because a lot of people are make all these situations awkward. So.
As long as I'm not giving you personal information, I don't.
All right, thank you.